Hey everyone, welcome back to Jaguar X. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an ESP32 with the Arduino IDE. By the end, you'll be able to upload your first program and blink an LED on your ESP32. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Arduino IDE installed on your computer. If not, go to arduino.cc, download the latest version for your system, and install it. Now open the Arduino IDE. We need to tell Arduino how to work with ESP32 boards. At the top, click on File, then Preferences. In the field called Additional Boards Manager URLs, paste this link that I will leave it in the description. If there is already something in that box, just add a comma and paste the link after it. Then click OK. Next, go to Tools, Boards Manager. In the search bar, type ESP32. You should see ESP32 by Espressif Systems. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, we can select our board. Now, connect your ESP32 to your computer with a USB cable. Then go to Tools, Board, ESP3 to Arduino, and choose ESP32 Dev Module. After that, go to Tools, Port, and select the COM port, where your ESP32 is connected. If you don't see it, unplug and plug the USB again and check the list. Great, now let's upload a simple program. We'll use the classic Blink example. Go to File, Examples, 01, Basics, Blink. A new window opens with the Blink sketch. And change the LED built-in to number 2. Click the checkmark icon to compile the code. If everything is fine, you should see Done Compiling at the bottom. Now, click the arrow icon to upload the code to the ESP32. During upload, some boards require you to press and hold the boot button until you see Connecting. Change to the Upload Progress bar. When it says Done Uploading, you can release the button. Look at your ESP32. The onboard LED should now be blinking. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Jaguar X, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next ESP32 and Arduino tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.